Okay, so the first 155K, we're not considering a down payment. What I'm trying to do is calculate the monthly payment at a 4.75% interest on a 30-year note. Now, how many years are left on that? I don't know, but if I'm just spitballing here, interest is 614. So the total payment 808. Let me write that down. Now, if we do the same amount at 7.5%, hey, oh, that's a tall cell. So what I want to know is how much money are you making on interest alone every month on just the first 150? So 1083 minus 808, you're making $275 a month on the first amount, the mortgage amount, and then you have a remaining, what was that? 230. So it's 250 minus, no, that's what it was. It's 250 purchase price for our scenario minus 30,000 down payment. That's 220K. So 220K minus 155K means you have $65,000 being financed at 75%. So let's see what that, or 7.5%. That's another $454 on top. That's your principal and interest. So 454 plus 275. The two of you are bringing in 729 a month on equity, pay down, and interest.
Okay. That sounds good.
Now, the total monthly payment for your buyer, that's the other thing you have to look at, 230,000. So I'll do the real full price, 250 with a down payment of 30. And that's very, very likely doable. And they'll still have money left over for rehab. Your down payment has to factor in how much money they have to throw into rehab, because if it's got some fix up to do. And that's a $1,500 monthly payment. Compare that with the rent rates in the area, and if it's anywhere close, you've got a buyer.
Okay. 1538.27.
Anyway.
Oh no, I know that.
So you can use this to determine, is this an affordable price point for your buyer? Now you could go even higher. You could go 9%, find out what rent rates are and price it on, base it on the monthly payment. Don't talk about interest rate with them when you start working to find your buyer. You talk about the monthly payment. What can they afford for monthly payment? How much of a big down payment can they bring? And what monthly payment can they afford?
Okay, perfect.